Yeah, I need to organize? You need to organize. Hey guys! Shut up! No, I'm kidding. Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today's video, as you can tell, is basically going to just be like a cleaning video. So I use this vanity-ish desk thing. Yeah. To do my makeup, and it is a mess because I've been filming like crazy, and I also have drawers to the left of me. I know my rights and lefts. To the left of me, and I want to just kind of sort everything out and get rid of what's empty and what I don't need because I'm hoarding them. So yeah, and today I just kind of wanted to do that. I like watching makeup organizing videos and organizing my desk and cleaning everything, so I figured why don't I do the same. So if you want to see me just organize and y'all want to relax and just eat your little quarantine snacks and watch me organize, then please keep watching and let's get into the cleaning mode. Go all the way. Okay, so this, shut up. I'm kidding. So this is what my desk looks like now. This is what I film in. I don't know if I've ever showed this, but yeah, I use this mirror. This one is like, this side is more of where, you know, it zooms in, but we don't need to see that. We don't need to see the pimples. So yeah, and then these are my drawers. As you can see, messy as hell. So yeah, I think that's a good angle, right? You see? Good angle. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of go through everything because I have a whole bunch of makeup that are just in these like little things, and I'm gonna go through it. So yeah, let's get cleaning. Let's get organizing, period. Okay, so now everything that's like on my desk, I'm basically gonna go through it, put like my daily makeup or makeup that I love to use in here, and then the rest of it I'm gonna kind of put away in my drawers, and I'll show you that as well. But now I'm going through and seeing what I like to use on the daily. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So I have everything sorted out. This is my everyday makeup. bag. So this is my toothbrush. I cover it with a cloth just because, you know, germs, and I don't have like a toothbrush cover yet. But so yeah, I sorted everything out from like brushes to single eyeshadows to complexion products to eye products to lip products. And then I have a hair drawer. So this is that. This is just some leftover MAC Fix Plus that matches this little aesthetic I have going on over here. So I keep it there. And yeah, so now I'm going to transfer all of this in here. And yeah. Okay. So this first drawer, I like to put like my favorite everyday eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, but I'm using those as a tripod. So we're going to move on to the next drawer. This, what are these thingies called, Kymani? This storage thingy, I don't know what it's called, but it's from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, in case you were like interested. So this next drawer is basically my blushes, my blushes, my powder, my contour, my highlight, and yeah, so putting everything in now. This is her now. She's not too organized, but I'm just worried about getting everything in the right places right now and then going back and organizing it because I literally open these drawers all the time. So this drawer is like my eyebrow, my single shadow, my eyelash drawer. So I'm going to be taking just all of like my eyeliners and mascaras and just putting them in. This next drawer is my complexion drawer, but it's getting really full, as you can tell. So I'm gonna go through and then get rid of some of like the empty bottles and stuff that I don't need, and then I'm gonna fill it up. Okay, so this is kind of how I have it now because this is how I could fit it. Also, as you can tell, the drawers, you can take them out as a whole and then put them back in. I think that's really like convenient for like filming and stuff, so. Okay, so these are my lipsticks. I try to keep like the ones that are open, the ones that have boxes, the ones that are just bullet lipsticks, my lip liners, and then my lip glosses and my minis all together. So yeah, that's that. So this drawer is a little random. It has a whole bunch of stuff, but there's lashes that are in here. There's skincare. This is mainly supposed to be my skincare drawer, but I also keep palettes that like I kind of always want to keep, like this Tarte. This was a holiday collection palette. I just thought it was so cute. And then I also have my Carly Bible, the original palette, in here as well. So I kind of keep items that I think I always want to keep, is like, or that I feel like are going to be just like priceless, like even like the ColourPop X My Little Pony. So I kind of keep them all in here. But I also keep some spare lashes. I keep my rollers for my face. This is a jade roller, and this is a rose quartz. I love rose quartz, rose water, anything rose for my face, so that's a win. I have this Tarte Skincare Pamper and Prep Maracuja oil. It has an eye cream, maracuja oil, and then I think it's also a moisturizer. So I'm also going to put in, this is just like Glossier stuff. There's a priming moisturizer in here and the Bubble Wrap eye and lip plumping cream. So I'm going to put this in here now since it was placed wrongly. And I'm also going to just put this mini bag on top because I think it's really cute and it's just extra storage just in case. So yeah, now this is my collector slash skincare items drawer. So next is just this drawer that has a whole bunch of stuff. It has extra, oh my god, this is so old, I have to throw it away. But I have just extra brushes that I've never opened. And then I also have things for my Lumia to clean my brushes with, and kind of just like extra brushes and brush cleaners, which is kind of good because I do have some extra brushes that I would put in here. So I'm going to do that. This, there wasn't much I had to do, but this is how she looks. She just has some extra things in here that just make her really cute. This is what she looks like. I like to put all my like clips, barrettes in one area so I know where they are, even though I'm missing a whole bunch in here, but I'll put them in. And then I put my gels and my hairsprays and my curly hair products and my Got2b glue. So yeah, that's her. She's the next drawer I keep in my room because I just find it to be really important. So this is where I just keep my personal feminine hygiene stuff. So I have probiotics that also have prebiotics in it. I have some Azo just in case. I have other things as well. Also have, if I ever have hurt my knee or like need like a knee brace or an ankle brace, I have that in here as well. So this is more of like a care drawer type, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just think it's really important just to have in my room to have easy access to. So now I'm just gonna organize and clean my desk now because I took everything that doesn't need to be on there off. First thing I'm gonna do is kind of take some things off to clear it off a bit so that I can clean this desk, because I use powder products and stuff and a lot of times it can get just really dirty and really dusty. So I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna use some wipes. So wipes I've been using are these Soluguard Botanical Convenience Wipes. These are Eco Scents. They're from Melaleuca. My family and I just really enjoy Melaleuca because they are an all natural brand with their cleaning products, with their products for around the house, for laundry. So that's just what we personally use as a family. You can obviously use what you use in your household, but I like these a lot, so I'm going to use that to wipe down everything, wipe down my chair and everything. And it's also good to clean and get the germs off if there are any. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm done. So this is what she looks like now. There is a lot of stuff on here, but it's because like these are like my everyday brushes and makeup. Oh, I almost forgot to put this. And then this is my everyday makeup with my toothbrush, because I like to keep my toothbrush in here nice and locked away. So yeah, this is now my vanity. This is where I record videos. And then this is now my makeup drawers. Don't mind the wigs. I gotta find a place for them. But yeah. And I keep the wipes just right here, just in case I ever need to clean anything else. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and watching me organize and clean. It's quite relaxing. I low-key like to do it. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, because I plan on doing like more organizing videos and stuff, and like getting rid of whatever makeup I need to, even though I just did it now, so I probably won't do that for like a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, to comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.